How do you cook a calzone? You deep fry it. Let's go. You guys are gonna wanna make this. Hands down, it's good. It is ridiculously good. Enjoy the video. All right, you guys, homemade deep fried calzone. This one is a winner. You guys have got to make this, and I'm gonna show you how. I got some pepperoni that we're gonna use, some mozzarella, and we're gonna set the deep fryer to 375. I got an extra basket on hand that we're gonna use to kind of help hold it down. I'll show you how to do that. As of right now though, let's get this dough rolled out and rock and roll. All right, let's get a little dusting of flour here. And all we're gonna do, I think this is actually gonna be too much, so we're gonna use half of this here. Pinch it like that. Maybe we'll make a couple of them, yeah? All right, you guys, let's get this rolled out. Maybe just a little further here. All right, now that that's done, ingredients. We got some pepperoni. They come in like long sticks, and from a local Italian grocery store, if you're from the Des Moines area, called Graziano's, they have some amazing meats and cheeses, especially their Italian sausage. So we're going to use this for our pepperoni today. Super simple. I got San Marzano tomato sauce. I got some fresh basil and some like 6 cheese Sargento shredded cheese blends. So we got the homemade dough now. If you want to see how we made this dough, we actually made it with Wagyu tallow, and we made a capicola sandwich out of it that was super good. I'll put a link to that video in the description so that way you guys can go check that one out. Let's get started. So first thing first, we want to make a base layer of cheese. This way our sauce doesn't soak into our dough and interfere with the fry here. And we'll get some of these pepperonis. Matter of fact, I think I'm just gonna cut some of these. There we go. And you can really put as much or as little as you want into the calzone. So keep in mind, the more you add, the more difficult it's gonna be to seal. And we're just gonna go crazy. All right, let's get some more mozzarella, more pepperonis. All right. And up next, let's add some tomato sauce. And with the San Marzano, make sure it's DOP certified. If you don't see the logo on the can, then it's an imitation product, not actually from San Marzano like these are. And there's a difference. Oh boy, is there. All right, and last but not least, we're going to throw in some fresh basil here, because why not? All right. And let's top it off with some cheese. Now you guys, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, and you won't know this, but I like a lot of cheese. Extra cheese is where it's at now. There. All right, that's a bag of cheese, so I think it's 8 ounces, just FYI. Cool, let's get this thing sealed up. I like kind of folding and pinching, twist and pinch, twist and pinch. Oh man, this dough smells so good. It's gotta be that Wagyu tallow, man. Just adds a little something extra. All right, let's get this side done. Ideally, less air is better, but not a big deal. All right, and just like that, we're gonna wait for this fryer to finish heating up, and we're gonna deep fry it. Let's go. All right, you guys, let's get this calzone in here. We're at 375, and all we're actually doing right now is just getting the color that we want. After we fry it, we're gonna bake it off in the oven to finish it off here. That looks amazing. I got another basket that we're going to use here just to kind of help hold it down so it doesn't float out of the fryer. Just like that. Here we go. Oh man, you guys are going to love this. All right, you guys, let's let it fry until we get the color we want, and then we'll bake it off in the oven. All right. Oh man, it looks amazing. Oh man, I wish you guys could smell this. Holy cow, it is super duper good. All right, wow. We are going to top this off with some San Marzano sauce. And of course, more cheese. Wow, it smells so amazing. Just like that. Now let's add this last little bit. And that, like that, and like that. All right. 375, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Let's go. This, oh man, with the basil, smells so good, so good. All right guys, this smells absolutely divine. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of Rob's seasoning, and what that is oregano, garlic, and Parmesan. Just to put a little on top. You can also, if you have it on hand, hit it with a little olive oil or garlic butter, super good as well. But we're gonna hit it with the Rob seasoning and a little bit of fresh basil, and then we'll cut into this thing. All right, got that made. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh, yes, please. And there we have it. Beautiful. All right, we're ready to eat. Let's go. All right, let's get this thing cut into. I am super excited to see how this one turned out. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like incredibly good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Oh, amazing. Just amazing. Wow. All right, well, let's take a bite and see how it tastes, yeah? Oh, get a piece with the basil. Oh, that pepperoni, the sauce. All right, here we go. It's so good. It's so good. Oh my gosh, you guys have to make this. Have to make it. It is worth every single step it took to get here. Oh my. Wow. All right, guys. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Follow if you're on Facebook. Check us out on TikTok and Instagram. And until the next one, ciao.